everyone, welcome to my channel. This is our advanced notes management system. This platform allows users to create and organize notes efficiently. Let's continue by creating new account. Our account is successfully registered. Now we can proceed to login in our account. When a newly registered user logging for the first time, they will be greeted with a welcome dashboard. This is our notes section where all the notes of all folders, categories will be displayed. All your favorite notes will be displayed here. All the folders will be displayed here. All the deleted notes and folders will be displayed in Recycle Bin. Here you can track your login activities. Here you can update your profile information and profile picture. Let's create our first folder. When a new folder is created in All Folders section, then it will be considered as root folder. In the folder settings, you can update the folder information and you can delete the folder, and also you can add a custom icon for your folders. Let's create one more folder. When you remove a folder's custom icon, a default folder icon will be automatically assigned. You can also pin your folders to the sidebar for quick access. When you create a new folder inside any folder, then it will be considered as a subfolder. Let's move forward and create our first notebook. Here, you need to enter all the details about the notebook, including the title, the type of notes it contains, the category, tags, and more. Now our first notebook has been created. Now we can open the notebook and start writing our notes. Let's add a notebook in our favorite list. Now when we move to the dashboard, it will show us our main dashboard, which contains data related to our categories, pinned folders, favorite notebooks, etc. Let's add one more notebook with different category. Our new notebook added successfully. When we click on the categories, then it will show us all the notes related to that category. Same when we click on tags, it will show us all the notes associated with that tag name. Now let's open our notebook and start writing our notes. This is the editor page where you'll write all the notes content. Let's copy some dummy content we've generated. After writing our first content, we will click on Save button to save our notes. This is our notes content page where it includes all the functionalities like you can print the notes, edit notes, share and restore the older version of notes. It's displaying no backup found because we haven't made any changes to our note content yet. When we edit our note content and make changes, the previous version will be replaced with the new content and the previous content will be saved in the backup, allowing you to restore the last 15 versions of your notes. We have added problem-solving content to our note, and now, when we update the notes, it will display the updated version in the note content. Now if we go to the history, it will show us that our previous note we've created is saved as backup, and now we've option to restore the previous version of our notes. When we restore any version, then it will replace the updated content with that version content. After restoring previous version, our updated version of note content is saved as backup, and now we have backup of our updated version and we can again restore it. To share our notes, we can generate public links for our notebook. When we click on Create Link, a public link will be generated for our note. Anyone with that link can access the notes. It doesn't matter the user is registered or not. We can also add the expiry date for the links. If the link is expired, then users will get the expired message. As I have added the expired date, so it shows me that link is expired, and also nobody who have access to the public link cannot view the notes. If we regenerate the public link, then it will disable the previous link and generate a new link. When we delete any notes and folders, then it will be moved to the trash folder and user can recover their deleted files at any time. When a root folder is recovered, then it will recover all the associated subfolders and notes automatically. At the main dashboard, it will show us our favorite notebooks first, and if we don't have any favorite notebook, then it will show us our recent last 5 notebooks. In the Login Activities section, users can track their login details, including the time they logged in and the device they used. Here, users can update their profile details. By using the search bar, users can search their folders and notes by the name of the folder, notes title, category, tags, etc. When no results found, then it will display the search bar with the recent search keywords and time. Also, we have implemented a session management feature that protects users from unauthorized access. For instance, if a user logs in on one device and forgets to log out, their session remains active, allowing anyone to access their account. To safeguard against this type of session hijacking, our session management system automatically logs the user out from the previous device. As you can see here, we have already logged in a tab, but when we again log in another tab, it will automatically log out my account from previous tab. When we refresh this page, it will automatically log out my account from this tab. If again I will logged in this tab, then it will log out my account from other tabs. This feature allows the user to log in one device at a time. So, this is our notes management system. I hope you all enjoyed exploring it. In future updates, we're planning to introduce group and channel features, allowing users to create their own channels and interact with others. Stay tuned for those exciting enhancements. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you next time.